Teeknoo oduu fi odeeffannoo teeknooloojii
argannoo fi kalaqa
muuxannoof qaroominatu dhiyaata.
Teeknoo.
Tip number 1 is you need to add captions to your videos. Believe it or not, this could make a huge difference when it comes to how many views your videos are getting, because if you're able to add captions to your videos, there are more chances that people will be watching your videos, especially if your videos have a lot of audio, conversations, and things like that. And that's mainly because 85% of the people who are on Facebook are watching videos with no sound. So you have to tap on the screen to actually play the video with sound. Most people are not doing that. Most people are just simply scrolling through Facebook. Whenever they see a video, they'll simply leave it with no sound and they'll read the captions of that video. If your video has conversations and audios and it doesn't have any captions, most likely that person will skip to the next video and you're missing out on a lot of views. So by simply adding captions to your videos, this could definitely increase the amount of views that you're getting per video, especially if you have a lot of videos where you talk in front of a camera or you have people talking to each other. Those type of videos really need to have captions. So there's two ways for you to add captions to your videos on Facebook. The first way is by using the automatic captions that Facebook allows you to add to your videos. Now you can do this if you simply want to let Facebook automatically add the captions to your videos, but they're not really 100% accurate. The second way is by simply adding your own captions to a video, uploading the captions to your video, and there's definitely ways for you to outsource this. For example, you can go on Fiverr.com and easily find people who are going to create those captions for you for a very cheap amount. Or you can use websites like Rep.com, which charges you per minute of video. So if you have a 3-minute video, they'll charge you about $1.25 for each minute of that video. So once you have those captions, you can simply attach that file to your video in the uploading process. So by simply adding captions to your videos, you have the potential of actually getting 50% more views. If you have videos where no one is talking and simply just music and text and things like that, you might not need captions. But if you have videos where people are actually talking, adding captions is one of the best ways for you to get more views for your videos. Tip number 2 is to add tags to your videos. For some reason on Facebook, people don't add tags to their videos in the upload process. And if you have a video that has a lot of views but you don't have tags on that video might be harder to find on the Facebook search results. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people searching for content on Facebook. YouTube is not the only place where people go to search for content. So by not adding tags to your videos, relevant tags to what the video is actually about, you're missing out on a lot of views. So Facebook has very niche specific tags that you can add to your video depending on the topic of your video. So I would suggest in the upload process, go to your tag section and start typing relevant keywords to that video to help you find keywords that you can add, which are going to help your video get found on Facebook. Not only that, but Facebook can suggest your videos depending on what those tags are. So if someone is watching a video about a specific topic and your video has relevant tags to that specific topic, there's a bigger chance that Facebook will suggest your videos to that audience because it has detected it has relevant tags in that video. So take just 1 minute of your time in the upload process and find anywhere from 5 to 10 tags that you can add to your video, hopefully to help your video get found on Facebook. Tip number 3, enable in-stream ads. Now this probably sounds like common sense. Why would you not enable in-stream ads? But the thing is, there's a lot of Facebook pages out there that are uploading videos not even knowing that they can make money from their Facebook videos. So if you've been uploading videos to your Facebook pages not knowing that you can make money from your videos, I suggest you go and watch some of my videos on my YouTube channel where I teach you how you can monetize your Facebook videos and start making money from those videos. But here's another reason why you should enable in-stream ads on your videos. Not only will you be able to make money from those videos, but at the same time, because you're monetizing those videos, Facebook is more likely to promote those videos to different audiences because they want to make money. If a video is monetized, Facebook has an incentive to promote that video because they'll be making money from that video as well. So by enabling in-stream ads on your Facebook page and making sure that each video that you upload on your Facebook page has the monetization feature turned on, you have more chances of getting more views for those same videos. Tip number 4, create a playlist. If you're creating videos about specific topics that are related to each other, the best thing that you can do to get more views for those videos is by creating a playlist. The main reason why you want to create a playlist for those specific videos, only if those videos are related to each other, is because Facebook will suggest those videos to someone if they actually watch the first or second or third video in that playlist. So by grouping those videos into a playlist, if someone starts watching video number 7 or video number 5 in that playlist, there's a bigger chance that Facebook will suggest video number 1 or 2 in that same playlist, which means more views at the end of the month for your Facebook page. Tip number 5, collaborate with other pages in your niche. This is very simple to do. All you have to do is go on Facebook and find pages related to your page, which you can collaborate and share videos on their Facebook page, and in exchange they'll share their videos on your Facebook page. Now this is not the same thing as cross-posting, because cross-posting, basically you're uploading a video on your Facebook page and at the same time another page can utilize the same video and post it on their Facebook page. This is one way for you to get views, but at the same time what I believe is the best way is another page sharing your videos. What you want to do is search for pages that have pretty much the same amount of followers and likes that you have on your Facebook page. So if you have 10,000 likes on your Facebook page, try to find pages in your niche that have anywhere between 10 to 15,000 likes, because they're more likely to say yes to a collaboration, meaning that they'll share their videos on your Facebook page and you'll be doing the same thing on their Facebook page. You don't have to do this with every single video. Perhaps you can share maybe 1 or 2 videos per week on your Facebook page and they can do the exact same thing for you. In the end, what you're looking to do is try to get more shares for that video from different audiences, because that's really going to help you push that video to go viral and get more views. Tip number 6, use Facebook groups. Now, I'm not talking about spamming Facebook groups. This is something that you should never do on Facebook, because most likely you could get a violation on your Facebook page. So the best way to do this is by joining maybe 2 or 3 Facebook groups where you can share maybe 1 or 2 videos per week on those Facebook groups. Now you have to make sure that those groups are niche related to your page. So if you have a Facebook page talking about dogs, you can't share your videos on a Facebook group that is only about cats. It doesn't make any sense. So you have to find Facebook groups that have anywhere from 10,000 to 100,000 members where you can share your videos that are niche related to your page. Now for some of those groups, you can't actually share content unless you have permission. So you can reach out to the admin of that group and ask them if you can share your videos on their Facebook group. But sometimes you can even pay a fee to those admins in exchange for sharing your videos on that Facebook group. So make sure you're reaching out to multiple groups and talking to the admins of those groups to see if they give you permission to share your videos on their Facebook group, or if you need to pay some sort of fee to actually share and promote your videos on those groups. And finally, tip number 7 is to boost your videos using Facebook ads. Now, if you have a little bit of money, this is quite simple to do and the fastest way for you to get lots of views to any video you want on your Facebook page. In fact, in my Facebook course, I teach my students how they can use Facebook ads to boost videos and actually push a video to go viral with very small budgets. So you might think that you would need $100 to push a video to go viral on Facebook, but that's not actually the case. In fact, you can set up campaigns on Facebook ads where you can push videos to go viral with just really small budgets of just $5 to $10 per day. So if you want to get thousands of views for your videos extremely fast and put it in front of the right people, the fastest way for you to do that is utilizing Facebook ads.
Tekno oduu fi odeeffannoo teeknooloojii
argannoo fi kalaqa
muuxannoof qaroominatu dhiyaata.
Tekno